How to add timer on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add timer. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Snapchat. As you can see, this is the home page, and right here I don't have a timer, and all what you have to do is easy and simple. Click here on this plus icon right here, and now scroll down until you find the timer option. You can set a countdown or video timer from here. Click on it and it's added, as you can see. Now I have a timer on my Snapchat easily and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.